ngayon, punta naman tayo mga kababayan dito po sa press briefing ni ni Secretary John Vic Remulla mga kababayan patungkol po sa kung ano yung mga nangyari nung inaresto nila mga kababayan or kinuha nila ito pong si Senator Jinggoy Estrada. So ito, pakinggan po natin kasi sabi po dito no bail, kulong si Jinggoy Estrada. John Vic Remulla pinangunahan ang pag-aresto dito daw po kay Jinggoy. So ito, pakinggan po natin.
Who stand charged above stated crime and bring them therefore to the court to be dealt with the law and rule of court. Direct, no bail. Meanwhile,
no bail.
full security po siya, hindi po siya makakalabas at restricted access papunta sa kanya.
He was arrested or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG.
Oh.
He was read his Miranda rights and from there he was brought here to Krami to be processed.
Juanito Victor C. Remulla.
Kapatid lang, sir. Kapatid lang.
Pakinggan natin.
Wag na. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Hindi. Puko lang. Okay.
The Secretary will now deliver his opening statement.
Give me 1 minute. Just let me prepare the documents. A warrant of arrest, case number E-SB26-CRM-006 for plunder under RA 7080. The following are enjoined to arrest: Chief of Police, San Juan City, Provincial Director, Regional Director, NBI, the Director, NBI, NCRPO, and GPNP, and the CIDG. You are hereby commanded to arrest Jose Jinggoy Pimentel Estrada, Manuel Mandigas Bonoan, Denril Cesar Sanchez Fortuna, Manny Bumagat Blusan, Arthur Lobres Gonzalez, who stand charged above stated crime and bring them therefore to the court to be dealt with the law and rule of court. Direct, no bail. Quezon City, Philippines, on 1st day of June 26, signed. Honorable Zaldi V. Tres Peces, Chairperson, Associate Justice. At approximately 3:30 p.m., I arrived at the Senate to implement the warrant of arrest. Wala na pong maganap na nangyari. Sumama po si Jinggoy. Binasaan po siya ng Miranda rights niya kasama kanyang abogado. Naiintindihan niya. Tinanong sa kanya kung naiintindihan niya kung anong ang charges laban sa kanya. Sabi niya naiintindihan niya. Mapaya pa siyang sumama dito sa CIDG, processed and arrested. Currently, 2 are ready in the Sandigan Bayan, 2 are on their way to the Sandigan Bayan on the 5th Division. Secretary Bonoan is on his way to the hospital because his hypertension was listed at 192/100.
Si Manuel Bonoan daw mga kababayan ay isinugod sa ospital dahil tumaas daw po ang blood pressure. Yan po yung sabi dyan mga kababayan ha. Pero inyo, yung mga sangkot sa maanumalyang blood control pag inaaresto, bigla ang lumalabas yung mga sakit mga kababayan.
He will be kept there for an indeterminate amount of time before he stabilizes, and when the doctor says that he is fit to stand trial, then he will be brought to the Sandigan Bayan. Meanwhile, full security po siya, hindi po siya makakalabas at restricted access papunta sa kanya. Senator Jinggoy cooperated fully together with the other accused. They were found to be in good health and are now on their way to face the courts. Questions?
Okay naman talaga yung kalagayan ni Jinggoy mga kababayan. Ganito yung naging pagtrato sa kanya oh. Kasi baka sabihin ng mga DD-shit, ginigipit talaga si Jinggoy. Eto, napakaganda nga ng pagtrato oh.
Yes ma'am, bigay ko kayo. Asan si Walter? Walter.
Ayan oh.
Walter. Asan si Walter? Ter. Maintain mo lang yan. Gawan mo ako.
Ayan oh. Napakaganda ng pagtrato sa kanya mga kababayan. Siniguro muna na nasa maayos yung kanyang kalusugan bago po siya dalhin kung saan siya ikukulong mga kababayan. Ano po ngayon, ituloy pa natin.
Unang kayo ni Senator
SP Alan Cayetano na parang medyo nagtatalo pa kayo. Was he requesting for you not to arrest him?
No. The question was whether yung separation of the executive and the judiciary. And sabi niya, even at the time of Salonga, he protected Enrile. Ang sabi ko sa kanya, in a not very calm voice kasi umakit na, "Sir, I'm sorry, you lost that privilege when Bato escaped."
Tama!
Okay,
So
next.
ano ibig sabihin? Wala
So,
na,
yes.
you honor yung ganung separation.
We will inform them, we will give them the courtesy, but if there's an arrest to be made,
May nag-comment dito, sabi ni King Tubol, BBM, silent but dangerous. Sabi nila, weak leader daw eh. Sabi nila, weak leader daw si Presidente. Ngayon, naniniwala na kayo mga kababayan na kapag katahimik yung ilog, malalim. At yun yung nangyari dito ngayon.
we will make the arrest.
So just for clarification, ang tamang term is you went there to arrest him, you served the warrant, so it means he was arrested, or did he surrender?
We arrested him. I went there personally together with the CIDG. He was read his Miranda rights, and from there he was brought here to Prime to be processed.
How about the
Tama.
foreigners? Did they personally surrender?
Secretary Bonongan went here. The one from DPWH, I forgot his name. He was here, so voluntary surrendered.
All four?
The two others voluntary surrendered to the Sandigan Bayan.
Okay.
Sir, nasa taas pa ba si Senator Jinggoy? At
Umalis na siya as of 5 minutes ago. Papunta na sila ng Sandigan.
Ano specifically ang ginawa sa kanya sa booking procedure? Can you just walk
There
us
is
through?
he started with a fingerprint, then he went through the mugshot, then he went through the medical clearance. Tinapos muna silang tatlo. Nung natapos yung tatlo, dinicide na si Secretary Bonongan was not fit to go to the Sandigan, kaya dinala siya sa hospital.
Senator Jinggoy Estrada requested prior to this for a knee replacement surgery.
No,
Ano
it
pinag-usapan ninyo?
was a concern of his. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, wala akong kapangyarihan dyan. Ang Sandigan Bayan lang ang pwede magsabi kung pwede siya mag-opera o hindi.
Tama.
I think to show solidarity with Jinggoy, he said that sasamahan kita pre, and that's his exact word, sasamahan kita.
Wala naman siyang other request, sir? Maliban mo sa
Wala naman.
Sir, si Bunoan, sa ospital mo, dito ba sa...
Hindi ko alam, sasabi ko kung saan, kung saan yung
PNPGH.
PNPH, yes.
Sa mga kababayang Pilipino natin ha. Ngayon nakikita nyo may mga nakukulong ng big fish. Baka sabihin nyo mga kababayan, wala pa rin ginagawang hakbang ang Marcos administration para papanagutin yung mga sangkot sa maanumalyang flood control. Kaya nga kung titingnan nyo ano ba yung sinabi ni Presidente, di ba dati kayo nananawagan kayo na dapat papanagutin yung lahat ng mga sangkot, imbestigahan tong flood control. O ngayon nandito na tayo, iniimbestigahan na, may mga mapapapanagot na, mukhang ayaw nyo pa. Di ba mga kababayan? Ngayon, eto na. Yung request ng mga DD-shit nangyari na. At yung mga tatamaan, sunod-sunod na to mga kababayan. Pamula po dito kay kay Bong Revilla, hanggang dito mga kababayan kay Jinggoy Estrada, at may mga susunod pa dyan. Especially, yung pangalan ni Senator Joel Villanueva, malaki din ang posibilidad mga kababayan na siya po yung sumunod talaga dito po kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. And then malaki din ang posibilidad na ang sumunod kay Jinggoy, kay Joel Villanueva ay walang iba kung hindi itong si Senator Dante Marcoleta. Anyway, ituloy pa natin.
Ano ba sa hospital ng
I think so. Dito pa si Benito. Dito rin. Hospital arrest, but he has not been indicted. So, hihintayin natin yung indictment niya before he's formally charged. So, he is arrested, but he is not remanded by the court to go to the hospital. Ito sa decision kasi nga, imminent na yung stroke niya at 192. So, ito siya na dalhin muna siya ron bago siya i-transport papunta ng Sandigan.
Sa assurance natin na walang special treatment po kay Senator Jinggoy.
Wala talaga. Same as the others who have been co-accused. Depende kung saan sasabihin ng Sandigan. They will be dealt fairly, equally. No special privileges.
You have no idea where exactly they'll be committed at this point?
Sandigan is the only authority to say that.
Pero hindi po ba, sir, sa si Jay kung saan nakakulong yung mga ibang kasama?
Again, Sandigan is the only authority na pwede magsabi kung saan.
Tama.
Depende sa doktor niya yan, but there is a baseline for good health kasi nakalagay doon condition of reasonable health. So pag bumaba yung mag-stabilize ang blood pressure niya, dadalhin na siya, magre-return of warrant na kami sa 50
Sir, but still lang po ba na consider na arrest sa halip na surrender? Which is
No, he is arrested but not yet indicted.
Sir, but why it's about full surrender? Kasi yung narrative ng Jinggoy.
Hindi, surrender siya dito.
Surrender siya
Okay,
dito.
he surrendered siya. He's already in the custody of the police. but he has not been formally charged in front of the judge.
No, but you arrested him.
He surrendered again. Okay, he surrendered. He was read his rights. Okay, but he is not yet in the custody of the court. He's in the custody of the police. So kasi may process yan, di ba? So, aharap muna siya sa judge, sa Sandigan, then they will say guilty or
Saan nakakulong si Jinggoy? Sa Pasay City Jail ba? Mga kababayan, doon ba kinulong si Jinggoy? Wait nga, check natin mamaya.
not guilty, and then after that the
Yes,
process
but the
begins.
fact that you went there personally to serve the warrant.
Are we
is serving the warrant of
Are we talking about Jinggoy or?
Yes, Jinggoy.
I was talking about Secretary Bonongan eh. Di ba?
Jinggoy ang sinasabi niya. Jinggoy.
Okay, you didn't clarify. Before that, we were talking about Secretary Bonongan.
Okay.
When you jumped, you didn't identify it as about Jinggoy.
Oh.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Okay, let's go back ha. Balik tayo.
Narrative siya ng Jinggoy Camp.
Balik tayo. Okay, we arrested him in the Senate. He was read his rights in the Senate. He acknowledged that having understood his rights before he went to the rostrum.
Okay, sabi dito, ayan, payatas. Payatas daw in the new jail. O di makakasama niya doon si Bong Revilla. Makikita na sila ni best friend.
I warned him, sir, anything you say will be used against you. Sabi niya, yes, I understand.
Sir, just to follow up, bakit po siya hindi natin kino-consider yung narrative niya na surrender? Because di ba he held a
Well, that's his, makikita niyo naman sa video that he was read his rights in the Senate.
Sir,
So that technically constitutes an arrest.
so sir, it's sila bago po siya humarap sa press at sinabi niya nag-surrender siya.
He was
He's
arrested.
already arrested.
Yes. He was read his rights.
Reaction niyo doon sa sinasabi na parang atat na atat kayong ihulihin sila, isa-isahin sila.
There is no right or wrong here. The actual warrant arrived to my possession at 2:40.
Tsaka tandaan nyo mga kababayan ha, yung sinasabi ni na Alan Peter Cayetano at ng iba mga taga-majority na parang atat na atat hulihin yung mga senator, may warrant to pares eh. Anong gusto? Tingnan na lang yung arrest warrant at wag i-execute mga kababayan. Ano po dito sa may mga kaso? May warrant to pares, natural, kailangan i-execute yan kina Senator Jinggoy. Alangan namang hindi hulihin si Jinggoy kahit may arrest warrant, sala po yun. Di po ba? Kaya dapat talaga mga kababayan, kapag may arrest warrant, automatic kailangan talaga i-execute yan doon sa taong nakapangalan. At hindi naman kasalanan ng mga otoridad na tagapagpatupad ng batas kung si Jinggoy Estrada ay nilabsa na ng arrest warrant mga kababayan. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang mga kababayan, dito po sa usaping ito, napasubo po talaga si Senator Jinggoy ng matindi. Diba? Napasubo ng matindi mga kababayan. Sa usaping ito, talagang matindi yung isinubo niya, matindi yung napasubo siya dito mga kababayan. Anyway, tuloy pa natin.
45. At by 3:15, I was in the Senate. There is no right or wrong answer in this. As soon as I got the warrant, I acted on it.
Tama.
Sir, yung voting miscommunication or altercation sa Senate kanina with Senate President, hindi ba natin tinitignan yung sir na tatawa obstruction of justice?
Hindi naman. He was explaining his side that it's never happened before. But my side was that nung nakawala si Bato, you lost that privilege already of having protected custody.
Tama.
We were fine. Magkasama kami rin sa taas. We were talking afterwards and he understood.
Sir, ba't niya sinasabi yun? Di ba ang sinabi naman niya talaga from the very beginning, it's a local court that will issue the arrest warrant, susundin nila.
Yes.
Bakit may ganun?
He was insisting that nobody could be arrested inside the Senate. He was requesting that he be brought out.
Eto nga yung problema no mga kababayan. Nung dito nyo talaga makikita na walang isang salita itong si Alan Peter Cayetano. 'Di ba sinasabi niya mga kababayan na kapag local court, susundin po nila. Means hindi po nila ilalagay sa Senate custody itong si Jinggoy Estrada at automatic isusurrender nila. Pero anong nangyari kasi mga kababayan, 'di ba pinipigilan ni Alan Peter Cayetano na arestuhin po itong si Jinggoy at gusto niya nga ilagay sa Senate custody. So doon pa lang nalalaman nyo mga kababayan na wala talagang isang salita. Ito pong si Jinggoy Estrada, hindi kayang Jinggoy Estrada, Alan Peter Cayetano mga kababayan, hindi niya kayang tawag dito panindigan yung mga salitang binibitawan po niya. Kaya dapat talaga mga kababayan mawala na yan bilang Senate President.
Out of the Senate first.
But this is beyond 6 years that we're talking about.
Exactly. And I said, I'm sorry, sir. You lost that privilege when Senator Bato escaped. We will arrest him now on the spot.
Was it only because of the escape of Bato o because there's also a 6-year rule na if it's beyond 6 years?
Both. Usually meron kasing Senate and executive respect for the leadership. Usually ilalabas mo na yan eh. But tama na, di ba? Tama na. There's no more hiding behind the curtains of the Senate.
Tama!
Pinayagan niyo ba na mag-press con siya? Dahil
Eh, wait, it's within his rights. I warned him. I did warn him. I told him, whatever you say can be used against you. And he said he understands.
So,
So,
you're saying na that they lost that right after Senator Bato escaped. Are you saying that he has
it's
also
not a right.
hand
It's not a
in
right.
the escape of Senator
It's not a right.
Bato?
It's a privilege.
Or
Okay,
is it- it's a
privilege.
privilege? So
It's a
whether
privilege.
it's a privilege or
No,
not,
I am
are you
not
saying
implying.
that
I am
there's a
not.
hand
I am not implying anything other than Senator Bato escaped and that we revoke that privilege of separation in terms of arrest. That we can arrest anybody inside the Senate building if necessary.
Sir, will that be a
Ah.
privilege sa mga susunod na lawmakers na maaalis?
If it is necessary, we will always do what is necessary according to the bounds of law. Remember, there is no such law as you cannot arrest anyone inside the Senate. It is
There's no such law.
It's
Tsaka hindi naman po nakasession ng Senate mga kababayan kaya pwedeng arestuhin si Bato, si Jinggoy doon sa loob po ng Senado. Wala na pong palipaliwanag dyan. Hindi naman wala naman sa plenary session. Ito pong si Jinggoy Estrada at wala din naman sesyon ang Senado. Di po ba? Kaya pwedeng arestuhin itong si Jinggoy.
it's a privilege granted to the legislative. So for the first time,
Because of courtesy?
because of courtesy, it is a courtesy. But there is no such law which prevents us from arresting anyone in the Senate.
So even if it's not beyond 6 years?
I
there's
think
no
what
such
is, let me get this straight and you can research it for me, but I think what is not allowed is if they are in session.
law. Okay.
But after session.
Content na, sir. Content na po.
Yes, all five are accounted for.
We will entertain last two questions from the media.
Sir, possibility po ba na dito siya mag-stay? Kasi yung port po hanggang...
It's up to the Sandigan Bayan.
It's a possibility. You'll welcome here, sir.
We have the Sandigan Bayan determines where he'll be incarcerated.
Pero ready ba ang custodial facility?
The custodial
Ready ba siya?
facility is barely livable. But meaning puro daga, it's
Wala na bang nakastay doon?
it is about to be demolished because for to build a new facility. So
Wala na nagsastay doon eh.
I'm not familiar kung mayroon ba.
Kaya
Meron ba?
Wala na nagsastay doon sa...
Meron yata konti na lang yung mga Chinese na nahuli namin dati sa kidnapping.
Ano kayo mag-iwalay ni Senator Jinggoy? Ano yung last message niya po sa inyo?
Sabi niya salamat pa rin. Yun lang. And then there was a slight altercation between me and the daughter. She gave me the dirty finger and cursed at me. I said, it's okay. I understand you're emotional.
Sino pong daughter, sir?
I don't know which one. I don't know. But I said, it's
Yung isang anak daw ni Senator Jinggoy, inanuhan, nag-sign ng dirty finger dito po kay Secretary John Vic. Pero sa bagay mga kababayan, anak yun eh. Pero masama pa rin tingnan. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, kapag kaganon mga kababayan, mukha atang hindi napalaki na maayos ni Senator Jinggoy, yung kanyang anak.
it was nothing personal. Naging emotion lahat. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Please
Thank you.
request for the mugshots?
No, not yet.
Why?
We will release it on time. And the process, they took the pictures 5 minutes ago. So, hindi kaya release now. Thank you. Thank you very much.
O ayan, maliwanag mga kababayan na eto pong si Senator Jinggoy, inaresto po siya mga kababayan pero sinusubukang harangin at pigilan ni Alan Peter Cayetano pero hindi pa rin nagpatinag itong sina Secretary John Vic at nakuha pa rin nila itong si Senator Jinggoy Estrada mga kababayan dyan po sa Senado kasi ang gusto mangyari nga ni Alan Peter Cayetano protektahan ulit itong si Jinggoy Estrada mga kababayan at ilagay sa Senate custody kaso nga lang ang problema buhat nga nung nakatakas si Bato de la Rosa nawala na ng bisa yung mga salita pong binibitawan nito pong si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano kaya mahirap talagang pagkatiwalaan ito pong si Cayetano hindi marunong tumupad sa pinag-usapan mga kababayan. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin ano po masasabi nyo, hingil po dito sa usapin po na yan. Comment below na lamang po kung ano po ang comment at opinion po ninyo. Hingil po dyan.